If you're in the market for a platform that can streamline your communication between yourself and anybody else within your company and your clients, well, you have clicked on the correct video. We're going to have a look at Tidio and we're going to have a look at Freshchat, and we're going to see which one is going to be better when allowing you to communicate properly. Let's get into it. So we're going to start out here on Tidio, and I'm on the home page. You can see on the left hand side I've got my menu, and this is your basic dashboard, and this will help you set up your account so that you can actually get going, right? So we're going to have a look at a few things from this menu. The first one being the analytics program. So you're allowed to now jump in and have a look at conversions, conversations, if they were handled, if they were missed, and then also taken over. You can see that everything will be displayed right over here and all of the details will be included. You can also export this so that you can have it viewed in a different program. One of the other things that I would like to go through is having all of your customers in one area. So over here, you can actually see everything on your customer detail in one place, and this is fantastic. However, of course, you need to install the chat widget first and actually have conversations with customers. The next thing is their integrations. If you're looking for a great deal of integrations, Tidio does offer a bunch. So if you've used any of these before, such as Klaviyo, Zapier, MailChimp, you'll know that these are great integrations and you can just plug them in and are ready to go, all in one place. Some of the other things here is the pricing. Now, this pricing structure is a little bit complex. You have customer service, you have the chatbot, flows and campaigns, and this is all priced differently. However, it does start at $24.17 per month, and as you can see here, you get 100 handled conversations, you get unlimited seats, and so forth. There's also a bunch of integrations that you can use here. So if you don't actually want to use this platform to chat with your customers, you can use WhatsApp, Messenger. You can also have live videos, email, chats, and a bunch more. So they do offer quite a bit, and they have a few packages depending on if you are a large business, small business, if you have a lot of inquiries each month, or just a few. The very final thing that we need to go through here, of course, is creating an actual bot. Okay, so you will do so by going over on the left-hand side to the Lyra AI chatbot. And this is where you will basically start setting up your chatbot. So you'll go ahead and add some information for this chatbot to understand what kind of business you're in, and then you'll basically be able to set up all of its parameters. Now, going over to Freshchat, it has pretty much the same user interface. On your left hand side, you've got your menu, and it's pretty easy to use. Again, you have your dashboard where you can see an overview of everything that is actually going on. So some of the features that I would like to have a look at here is having a built-in chatbot for you to use. So as you can see here, you can go and explore your account just by asking the chatbot instead of going and looking for things or trying to figure out certain things on your own. So as you can see here, you can have a command such as show me a total chat conversions for the last 30 days. You can really dive deep here and get great information that you would have to otherwise look around for. The other thing that we need to have a look at is one space for all your conversations with your customers. So you can see on the left hand side, there are a couple conversations here, and you can manage all of these conversations. You can also filter them down, and you have Freddie again to assist you with the conversations. So if you are replying to your customers manually, and it's something that you need to do, instead of having a chatbot handle it, you can have the chatbot assist you in doing so. This is where you essentially build your chatbot. So we've got a chatbot here, and if you go into this chatbot, you get to actually build and configure all of the details of this chatbot. Now, this may be daunting when you are starting out, and you will eventually get the hang of it once you have gotten into creating and configuring. We also can see, if we go up to the top over here, they have automatically created a chatbot like that. I'm just going to use this one to open up. And here you can actually test it out. So this is the chatbot that we're working on. And you can see that you can now start to customize it while you are actually busy building it. Let's have a look at some of the pricing over here. As you can see, they have, again, a couple different options, but we're looking at Freshchat directly. And here you can see they start out at $19. Now, if you want to go ahead and compare that 19 to the 24.17 that we have with Tidio, it is a couple dollars less. And you can also see that they offer a couple premium features. You can also integrate things like WhatsApp, an Apple Business Chat, and Facebook Messenger, which also make your chatting a whole lot easier. So at the end of the day, having a look at Tidio and having a look at Freshchat, personally, I feel as if Freshchat works a little bit easier for me. They've also built a bot that I can just customize. I had a little bit of trouble trying to create this bot. As you can see over here, there's an error. So there's some configuring I need to do before I even start building the bot, which for me, I kind of want to just hit the ground running. So in my opinion, Freshchat really is the better option here, and they're also a couple dollars less. So in the long run, you will be saving a few bucks. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.